All right, so we're going to tell you a little bit about the RC Logger Xtreme V2, then we're going to put it up against the DJI Spark. So let's talk a little bit about what this RC Logger Xtreme V2 is. Well, it is a brushless motor quad. It's kind of versatile, very different than a lot of the quads out there on the market today. You're going to get something with, like I said, powerful brushless motors. It's got an HD camera that you can record video right on board, which is nice. It also projects a 5.8 gigahertz FPV signal, so you can fly this guy FPV as well. It does have full acro mode, but it also has an angle mode and a horizon mode, so you can kind of learn and grow with this quad. That's really a nice feature. It also has the ability to swap the different hoods, so if you want to change the look of this guy, that's pretty easy, which is definitely a nice feature. The Xtreme V2 is definitely a hybrid quad of sorts. It's part micro racer, part full-time racer, part aerial photography machine, and part beginner. You get that monitor built in if you want. You can also pick up a goggle headset that plugs right in. This is an example of the Vantage hood that you can put on there. It is kind of nice. You can customize this quad if you so choose. It is a neat little deal, good for beginners, has some definite positives, really good innovations in this drone, but there are a few drawbacks and we'll talk about those as well. Let's take a couple more looks at this and then we're going to get it up in the air, and then we're going to race it against the DJI Spark and talk about why you would want one versus the other. All right, so here we go. All right, so as we race these guys, you'll see the Spark here coming at us on the right. No, I'm sorry, the Spark is on the left, RC Logger on the right. They're actually both pretty comparable. Kind of depends on who gets the head start as to which one wins. So we know the Spark tops out at about 31 miles an hour. So they're about the same speed. Now here's some video from the RC Logger FPV style. You can see we've got a nice 720p picture coming in here, which, you know, if you compare that to the Spark's 1080p. You also notice there is no video stabilization on the RC Logger, so as the quad moves, the video moves as well. So, you know, it does take nice pictures, nice video. But, you know, if you want a real aerial photography machine with some stabilization, you're going to want something more similar to the Spark. You can see me, I'm standing in the field here watching through those goggles, not through the monitor, but I prefer flying FPV with the goggles. Now, let's talk drawbacks. You see here, I had a mishap, broken arm. Actually, I broke 2 arms. Actually, I tried to repair it, I broke 3 arms. This is one of the big drawbacks. It is not super durable. It also isn't quite as powerful as probably it should be. It comes with a 2S battery. I'd love to see this thing ship with a 3S. So lots of good innovation, a little underpowered. It's got some good top-end speed, but 3S would be better, and it does have some durability issues. But if you're looking for some modular quad with some good ability to grow, you might want to check this out.